Here's some blockchain applications trivia. Subscribe. Which cryptocurrency uses a proof-of-stake consensus algorithm? Is it A, Cardano, Litecoin, C, Ethereum, or D, Bitcoin? The correct answer is A, Cardano. What platform allows developers to create decentralized applications? Is it A, Ethereum, B, AWS, C, GitHub, or D, Bitcoin? The correct answer is A, Ethereum. What is the primary purpose of Bitcoin? Is it A, commodity trading, B, investment tool, C, digital currency, or D, currency replacement? The correct answer is C, digital currency. What type of ledger does blockchain utilize? Is it A, centralized ledger, B, atomic ledger, C, distributed ledger, or D, paper ledger? The correct answer is C, distributed ledger. Which company developed Hyperledger Fabric? Is it A, IBM, B, Microsoft, C, Oracle, or D, Linux Foundation? The correct answer is D, Linux Foundation. What is the term for a blockchain-based digital asset? Is it A, block, B, coin, C, ledger, or D, token? The correct answer is D, token. What blockchain application is used for tracking artwork ownership? Is it A, Artory, B, Rarible, C, Super Rare, or D, CryptoKitties? The correct answer is A, Artory. What financial service allows peer-to-peer lending via blockchain? Is it A, Lending Club, B, PayPal, C, Venmo, or D, Aave? The correct answer is D, Aave. Which application securely stores medical records on blockchain? Is it A, MetaVault, B, HealthChain, C, MedRec, or D, SafeDocs? The correct answer is C, MedRec. What is the focus of VeChain's blockchain application? Is it A, cryptocurrency trading, B, supply chain, C, social media networking, or D, healthcare records? The correct answer is B, supply chain. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.